So guys, in this video, okay, I'll be sharing with you how you can buy and pay. Okay, this is how to buy. Okay, how you can pay your supplier. So let me just go with this trendy this palm slippers. Okay, these slippers now. So I want to say, for instance, I want to pay now. I like this palm and I want to make purchase of this palm right now. Okay, this method that I want to show you is also the way you can also use to buy if you want to buy in bulk. Okay, okay, so that's it. So let me go ahead and click it. When you click it, you are going to be seeing, it's going to be showing like this. Okay, you can also scroll down, scroll up. Okay, you are going to be seeing other things, but for this purpose, I just want to choose this particular one now. So are you seeing it? This is the palm. All right, this is the palm. Look at it. You can also scroll and see the different color they have. Just look at it. You can also scroll up, scroll down to see review of people, the sizes and all. You can see everything about the suppliers, everything. Are you getting it? So you can see one thing again here. Look at this, one thing you need to understand now. If you are buying for just only one pair, look at it, one pair here. Are you seeing it? So one pair here, okay, in some supplier stores, oh, okay, you can see this one pair now. You can see the money that you can use to buy it. If you are buying for, like, okay, let's say for 48 pairs upward, this is what you will be getting. If you are buying for 600 pairs, you can see it. So this supplier, I think it doesn't have MOQ barrier. Like, what I mean MOQ barrier, like for instance, you want to buy something that you can see some supplier that will just say this particular, from this place that they say one MOQ, one pair, they will say you can buy up to like 10, some even 20, some 15 before you can make a purchase from the store. But this one, you can buy yours one. So for this purpose now, this is the place where you are going to be clicking. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Buy, order now. This place that says order now. Okay, but if you don't want to order now, I have a video in the group there. You can, in the group there, just go scroll up. Okay, you are going to be see that video that says add to cart. You can add this product into cart. If you want to share, this is place you can share. This place that says chat. This is the review of people that have bought from this particular supplier. 200 stars. Okay, I think this supply is a good supply. Okay, then this store, this is the store. Are you seeing the store? So this is the store. You can check this particular store. Are you seeing the store? Please watch carefully. So this is it. So for now, we are going to be clicking order. Okay, so I don't want the video to be long, so I'm just taking it. Please watch carefully. So you can see now, this is the shoe. So I want to buy this shoe now. This black, I like the black. Okay, so now you can see the sizes. So you will scroll down. Okay, you are going to see. You just screw up. I think screw up. Okay, you are going to be see the size 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. Okay, so this is the place you are going to be tapping. Let me bring this arrow here. So this place, are you seeing it? Each of the sizes, this place, are you seeing it that I click? If you want to buy now, you just click this place. You can see. Are you seeing it? So I click the number one, which is size. Are you seeing size what? Size 36. You can see the money that I'm paying. Okay, so the money automatically converted to RMB. Look at it. They say including shipping. There is a local fee that you are going to be paying for your supplier to take it straight to your warehouse in China. This is the money here. Are you seeing it? So in total, you are going to be seeing it. In total, everything you are paying now for just one of these shoe. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing including shipping and to look at it? Everything. This is shoe to buy this particular palm. This shoe. So if you want to buy now, instant that I want to buy only one. Look at it. I will click on buy now. Are you seeing the buy now? So I'll wait for it to load. Are you seeing it? Look at my. Hope you. If you have not watched the video on how to add your warehouse address, do so please. Okay, so this is it. This is my warehouse. It's already be added. Okay, but if I want them to the supplier to ship it directly to my to Nigeria direct. Okay, to ship to anywhere. Okay, just like Alibaba. Are you seeing it? I will choose this method. Deliver to your shipping warehouse address. Are you seeing it? To your house, so it's going to take you to the border, but we are not going to be using this method, please. The one we are going to be using now is this. Please look at it very well. These other ones, okay? So this ones that says, uh, sorry, I think my hand touched something. Okay, this one that says, this place, please look at it. This place is this method that we are going to be using, that your shipping company address. Okay, after you have bought anything, please, but before you buy anything, always remember like what I says, chat with the supplier, send your phone number and your name, your name and your phone number. Let them write it on the package. Let them write your package, your name on the package, and your phone number. Let them have it included it. So if your things arrive in Lagos, in port in Lagos, okay, they are going to inform you, which is the shipping company. Okay, this is fish logistic company. Okay, this is fish logistic company. That is this one. So after you have saw everything. Okay, sorry, it total everything that you are going to be paying. Now look at it here. Sorry, guys. They just look at it. Are you seeing both the local fare? I think the money reduced because based on well after the everything. I think they have something like you can look at it. Look at this thing. They say you have a plus offer to use. So that is what they are using for us now. If you as a newbie, you can use it because this my account is a new one. You can they say total due is 40.10 RMB. In naira is 3,100 and something 57 naira. 4.41 kobo. So this is the place. Sorry, this is the place we are going to be clicking. Sorry guys. After you have selected your this thing, you have added your warehouse address. Okay, if you don't understand anything, please you can also get back to me. Okay, please, for you to not to do any mistake. If you want to buy anything like for your first time, I promise that I say I'm going to help you, support you to bring your goods from the first, the third, and the second and the third time. Okay, the thing is not complicated as you think. It's very easy. Just follow my guide. Okay, I've been in this game for years. When I mean years, I don't do. I don't take. Just click this thing. Yeah, click it. Submit order. So submit order. Okay, so this is where you are going to be clicking. When you click on this submit order after every okay, order is submitting. You all look at it. So let's wait for it to submit. Are you seeing it? So that is how to buy. So are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So it has taken me to this my own page now that I had my card. Look at it. Look at the total money I'm paying. Are you seeing it? It's showing me. This place is going where you are going to be tapping the place. Look at it very well, people. My people, Mona, look at very well. This is where you are going to be paid. You can also pay with, I think, what is this? It's Google Pay. I think you can. They all have this full shot to it. Google Pay. I think I will make a video for that for you guys. Okay, this is a Google Pay. Okay, but first of all, this is the card you can use to pay. If you don't have a dollar card, this is a prepaid card. This is dollar card, Visa card that I'm using. Okay, if I should click here now, they will debit me. Okay, they are going to debit me. Okay, so this is where you are going to be clicking. Okay, I think let me look. I don't know if I have a balance in this card. Okay, but if you have this option to pay, no problem, you can use it to pay. This first pay, this thing you can use it to pay. This first pay card, you can just click here. If you just switch it, if you have it, no problem. Okay, so you can also switch to this. Look at, if you want to switch, this is the place you can switch. Are you seeing it? You can, if you have Alipay, just connect your Alipay straight ahead. You don't pay. But for this one, we are not using Alipay, okay? Because we have our Mastercard. For me, I have my Mastercard. Although I have Alipay, I have Alipay that I used to pay, okay? But before you have Alipay, if you know you have Alipay, you have your this thing. What is it called? Your passport, international passport. You can reach out to me. You can chat me on WhatsApp. I will just do screen record with me. ASAP, I will tell you what to do. You don't get many things to do. I don't waste on time. Just start to buy me the shop life. And so it be. Don't worry, I will guide you guys. This is where you are going to tap. If you have international passport, you want to open your Alipay, don't worry. I have someone in China. I told you, I said I have my sister, my brother in there, and school recently there. Okay, so this thing easy. Okay, with them now, God power. Okay, so this is where you are going to click. If you click pay now, I think I don't have. I'll check my balance already before I want to take this risk. I don't want to debit me. I don't want to ship anything. She na see. So I know me that you see that they will send me code. They are going to send me code. Although my SIM is in my other cell phone that I used to receive code. So are you seeing it? They have sent me code. They are going to send me code. Okay. That code, I will input the code on my. I will input the code. If you know you don't want to go to all those stress, I can help you pay. Okay, I can help you pay your. I can help you pay with my Alipay. Okay, you can just send me the R the this thing, the what do you call? If you put the code there, you can just press pay. But I don't want to pay because I think I have money in my card. I also this is what you are going to do. That code, they have sent me code. Are you see the code? So this is my code. I've input the code. After I input the code, I'll press submit. I don't know if I have. I don't think so. I'll check it with this my. If I have, there's no balance. The balance the Yawa dog gas. So I don't ship anything. Okay, okay. They've sent me text message here with on my other phone. They say prepaid card 00. Okay, not there. If you can hear, look at it. Payment feed. Your look at it. User balance is not enough. Are you seeing it?